Hello, welcome back to another video on Friend's Car Repair Corner. So, today I have had a delivery of some stuff. I have got some S dust caps. Don't know if you can see them or if I can show them or if they're even in focus, but yeah, some caps for the wheel. Replacement Cooper S badge, but a black one to go with like the dechroming theme. And LED number plates to fit. So that's what we're going to fit in this video. I also have a number of other different things to be doing with the car as well. So if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. But let's get to the car and get these on to the car. Perfect. Right, so now for the number plate lights. There and there. I've never seen ones like this before, but I'm guessing it's to, yeah, these prongs will actually sit inside the bit where there should be the bulb. I don't know, hopefully they'll fit, we'll see. So I've got to use a flathead screwdriver on one side and pry it down. Okay. That pulls off the cap. And then, yeah, I think I need to take this out. Something like that. And then figure out which one's which. Definitely needed doing. Look at that. I mean, no one would have seen my number plate. Right, okay, so yeah, still out. I need to do this one. Again, just lay it, flathead tool, pry it out, and then it'll be clip in. So I, yeah, figured them out that is for this one. Way I figured it out is because I need, come on, focus. There we go. I need these prongs to fit in, oh, it's so dark, in that bit there. Let me get the light on. There we go, so you can see what I mean now. Oh, it looks like it needs a good clean in there, to be honest. Right, okay, I suppose, moment of truth. I don't see how this is going to work, but... Okay, they are in, but that was a bit of a faff, and I don't even know if they're actually going to work, to be honest. I think they should come on when I've got my side lights on, shouldn't they? Or do I need keys in there? So no, doesn't look like it worked, so I think I am going to have to, I don't know, get some actual LED bulbs of that size rather than the actual LED thing of the whole thing. So we'll have to come back to LED lights. Right, let's get this replaced with this. Okay, I'm hoping that when I take it off, they're kind of going to be, yeah, the residue might still be there so that I can then just stick the, you know, the letters then over that, because obviously the S is slightly lower and this one's like, yeah, if I just stuck there like that, it's obviously different. So yeah, the way I'm going to get it off will be using some, yeah, hot water. I have also got some tape that I was just going to sort of stick just under here, just so that I can make sure that, yeah, if I don't see any residue, at least that way I know whereabouts it needs to go. So yeah, let me just quickly take this up. Okay, so that's what I've gone with. I've gone with actual tape, not masking tape, because I think the masking tape would actually just fall straight off once I use the hot water on it. So what else have I got to help me get it off? Okay, so yeah, I've got my tool. This is what I'm hoping to use. Kettle's still hot, so let's just go for it. Okay, I do want to get rid of that residue because that's too much there. But at least I can still see sort of where it needs to go, but I need to clear this off. Okay, so that's the majority of the residue now off. You can obviously still see where it was before. Obviously, if I was going for a complete sort of debadge look, then yeah, I'd clear that off, but it's fine. It's what I'm going to be putting back over it. So yeah, that will do. So now I need to get the stickers out and put them on. Okay, and there we have it. The new badges installed. Going with the black and the red theme, because as I say, I will be going red calipers throughout, because yeah, I've got the R56 brakes that I'm going to be upgrading to. So that will be an upcoming video. So if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. That's where I'm going to leave this video. So yeah, join me on the next one. Bye guys.